learn some zoo animals in this giant Lego brick. Orange lion. Black panther. Gray elephant. Brown beaver. Red cobra snake. Yellow ducky. Gray rhinoceros. Yellow and black butterfly. Brown daddy deer. Giraffe with brown spots. Orange fish. Brown bald eagle. White polar bear. Green froggy. Black tarantula. Brown monkey. Blue seal. Brown bear. Green alligator. Whoops. Brown ox. Thanks for learning about different animals in this giant Lego brick. Make sure to subscribe, click that like button, and check out any of these fun learning videos.